it's important to realize that I'm not just talking soft psychology here. Resilience is a concept that has been studied in many natural sciences and technology, and it describes the way a system can cope with shocks. Let's take the example of ecosystems. For decades, we have been speaking about sustainability, about restoring equilibrium, about the conservation of species. But now we're becoming aware that ecosystems are seldom in equilibrium and are beaten from one extreme to another by ever-changing circumstances. There's now a whole new branch of mathematics that shows which species are important for resilience.